Can anybody quickly revise what we have learned in the last class?
Yesterday you told us about the how to do the Google Ads certification, and then you told us about the 4%, like how we can do the 4% formula. It was more about again traditional funnel. Yeah, we did the traditional funnel yesterday. Traditional marketing funnel.
Okay, so what we have learned in the traditional marketing funnel yesterday?
How to get the hot leads, how we get the opportunities where we don't have any digital, like everything is manual, like door to door, and how we can get the leads. And like yesterday, you gave us an example of vacuum. Like instead of going to a one-to-one home, is good. Like go to the more apartments and collect the people together and demonstrate, give more pamphlets. So,
What is the purpose of doing all those things yesterday? I can simply write that this is the sales process. These are the 4 stages are there. Within 5 minutes, it will complete, right?
mhm.
Why we did all those things? Anybody?
Sir, the only purpose is to understand the digital marketing strategy very clearly and in very transparent way via understanding the concept of traditional marketing like generating lead and something more like that.
No. Anybody else?
Like as our plan B, like yesterday when I asked you, so you said like if we don't have the digital, how we can still we can do the business, how we can reach the people, and how we can still build the business in the traditional way. Like how was the ways?
That is okay, but that is not the main reason for discussing that. Anybody else?
100 वैक्यूम क्लीनर को सेल करना था.
हाँ, वो क्यों लिए थे? वो एग्जाम्पल क्यों लिए थे?
Oh, one thing, sir. So the yesterday you told like 40% people who are like more online, they are more on the internet. Rest 60% who don't use the internet, still we can reach to them with the traditional marketing.
This is one of the reason, but any other things? The actual reason? Anybody quickly?
To promoting our business.
No. So actually we have learned how to create a funnel yesterday, right? We have seen the activities which we need to perform, and we have also identified the key performance indicator for that, right? So this funnel process which can distinguish or which can put you ahead of the MBA professionals, because the MBA professional will do these kind of things regularly, and we do not do that, as we miss that. So we should prepare, we should be able to prepare these kind of funnels as and when required, wherever the possibility is there, right? Wherever some task or some end, like ultimate goal is depend on these kind of things. Like we have first initially we have knocked the door, then demo, then again opportunities. So from there again proposal, then again close deals or sales. So as and when we are getting something, we are making it a process, right? We are making a funnel over there, and that is how you will come up with a funnel. As I explained you in my training also, I need to have minimum 70 people who should attend my demo. If the 70 people are attending the demo, then definitely 25 people would join my course. Got it? So what is happening? There is also some funnel, and back end also there are so many activities would work on that. Like again, the telecalling team will be there, so they will call you. right? They will get the confirmation from you. So all the procedures will be there at the back end. So we need to do this funneling process at every step, right? So that is the reason why we have learned that, especially in the traditional marketing. The same thing we will do in the digital marketing also, but in the digital marketing it is completely different. So got the clarity now? So the reason why we have learned that funnel process is to identify the key performance indicators and identify the activities which can help us reaching the goal. Okay, if you do not knock the doors, you cannot count the demos. If you do not show the demos, you cannot get any proposals, right? So for you it helps us creating a funnel or process. So you need to identify all the activities and you need to identify all the key performance indicators, so which can help you make a sale. Got it? Can you create these kind of funnels at your end now?
Yeah, I believe so. Yes, sir.
Okay, you should be able to create the funnels at your end now. Everywhere, wherever the possibility is there, you should be able to create the funnel, because that will give you, like if you identify the formula for that. So like if definitely if I knock 6 doors, I am making a one sale. Okay, so something like that you should come up with that. So I am getting these many proposals. Like if I knock 100 doors, I am just getting 10 sales over there and 15 proposals over there. Okay, or 15 opportunities or 16 opportunities, but only 10 sales are happening, something like that you should be able to say. So you will be having a grip, complete grip on the sales process. You will be knowing the levers to trigger, okay, which can give you the result. Got it? So those things you have to plan at your end. So the next one is in the digital marketing. The principle of the digital marketing is visibility, traffic, engagement, and conversion. So if you understand the visibility, what is visibility over there? The more number of people see your ad or your message, the more number of people may click on that, then you will get the engagement. Engagement means, so traffic means the people are coming to clicking on that ad and you are getting the traffic, like you people are visiting your website. But the people are visiting your website but they are not engaging. Engaging means they have to stay on your web page, right? Immediately they have come over there and immediately if they are leaving, what is the use? There is no engagement, there is no sales. So you need to have the clear cut idea or focus on all these things. Okay, then the conversion will happen. What is mean by conversion? It can be a sale, it can be a lead, like the people will fill up the form, it can be a call generation, whatever it may be. Okay, the desired goal, we call it as a conversion. Okay, so if I say these things you may not understand. Again, let us understand the same thing with an example. Okay, everybody knows Just Dial. Guys, everybody knows Just Dial. Sulekha.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now let us consider in the Just Dial you are listed. Okay, but your listing, your business listing is showing over there at around 10th position or 20th position. Okay, from the digital marketing point of view, what is missing?
Sorry, sir. Would you explain in one line what is the Just Dial app?
Just Dial or Sulekha, you know,
No.
it is a local directory. So what is your local directory in US?
Okay.
Do you have any directory services over there, like local search engines?
I think
Sulekha, you know, right?
I heard this one, I think.
Sulekha.com. You don't know that?
No.
Yelp.
Sulekha.com?
Yelp.
Yelp, I heard, yes.
Yelp. You know what is Yelp?
People, I think, post or update their sites there.
Okay. So
I just heard these words. I never used it.
okay. So these all are the local directories, so which can assist you to connect with the people. Okay. Suppose if you are providing eye clinic, so you register with them. Somebody is inquiring about the eye clinic, that company will forward your contact details. So like whoever pays them, they will forward their contact details. So they will be having their own subscriber base.
Oh, got it. So we have a Kijiji here, right?
Okay. So those kind of businesses. What is that, Kitty?
Okay. Kijiji, sir. Kijiji.
Kijiji.
GI. Let me check the spellings. I think it's the same. Yep.
Kijiji, Ontario.
Kijiji, yeah. Kijiji. So if I have to rent out a place, or if I see that anything, like we get everything there. Like if I want a car, whatever, everything. Yeah. This one, sir.
Okay. So this is, I'm talking about the same thing.
Okay.
Okay. So these kind of websites. Now, I'm talking about this website. Okay. So these all are the agencies which are linking up over there. Okay. Yes. Okay. So I'm talking about the same thing. So in these kind of websites, your business is there, your listing is there, but you are listing it somewhere down the line in the 10th position or 20th position. What is the use? What is missing? What is missing?
Visibility.
Yes, we are missing the visibility over there, because Just Dial is one kind of marketplace. Kijiji is one kind of marketplace, right? Wherein the people will inquire about your product or service. They may inquire about your product or service. That is the right marketplace. But what is the use if your listing is not at all visible over there, right? So that is the problem. So now let us consider, though you are listing in the first position. Now you are listing, your website is listed in the first position, but no one is clicking on that. Okay, because we expected that if we have the good visibility, we would get the traffic. But now what is happening, though we are listing on the first position, no one is calling us or no one is clicking on that. What is missing over there? What is the reason? Can anybody tell me?
I
Why
think
no one is?
value. Yeah.
Right? So you
Yes,
need
sir.
to offer a value over there. Only if you mention your company name and address, no one would respond to it. What is the use? Okay, what is that value which you want to offer? Okay, in brief, at least in your one line, you must convey it to your customer so that they attracted to it and they come to your website, they call you. Got it? So that is how you generate the traffic. Now, traffic is coming, but no one is calling. What may be the reason? What may be the reason? Traffic is coming to your website. Okay, good traffic you are getting every day, but no one is calling you or no one is engaging with your website. Engagement means our responsibility is we expect that minimum 30 seconds one has to spend on your website, every visitor, ideally. Okay, so what is the problem over there? You got the visibility, you got the traffic because you have conveyed the value over there and you are getting the traffic. But the moment once the people click on your website, immediately they are leaving. They are not at all spending even 30 seconds on your website. What is the problem?
Maybe trust, sir.
Awareness or the emotional connection?
Hmm.
Awareness and the emotional connection, sir.
What awareness?
So the product I'm showing, so I'm not very clear what I'm trying to.
No, you should be clear and then only test. The question is very simple. Your business is listed in the first position. You have conveyed some value. Okay.
Right.
Any value, like let us take your business case only. Your Kijiji, did you are you listed over here? What is your
No, sir. I never checked. We can try TRI, sir. Just try that.
TRI? No. People would type. Why do people type TRI? They type I care, right?
Yeah. Retina care, or eye care. Yeah.
They will type retina care.
Mm-hmm. No.
Where is your business? Your business is not listed over here. So there is I Circu, Max Vision Eye Hospital. Okay, so these people are there. So now let us consider your business is listing over there, but the people are
Right.
coming, clicking on that, and they are coming to your website, but no one is booking an appointment with you. Okay, what is the reason? Okay, so yeah,
Credibility is missing.
no.
Credibility and trust. No.
If you have credibility and trust, the people will directly come to you, right? Why do they go to this Just Dial and come to you? who will go to these Justdial or these kind of marketplaces?
Who
Because
don't
they
know
do not
anything
know
about it.
anything. Yeah. So they would go over there and ask them, and they would say all these things. So you would buy over there. Okay. So they promote you over there. Guys, please apply common sense and answer. Visibility is okay because you people have answered the visibility. You people have answered the traffic. Okay. So to get the traffic, we must convey the value, right? So once if we have the value and once if you get the traffic, then the people are not engaging with your website. What is the reason?
So we are not able to touch their requirement.
Yeah, the same thing. The same thing means the value, you are not elaborating the value over there. You are not elaborating the value over there. So that means what? Suppose, let us take any business case. Okay. And let us take eye care service only.
Sir,
And you
also
have,
maybe possible that we are not targeting the right customer.
no, it is not right customer. See, you are listed over there for certain keywords. Suppose in Kijiji or Justdial, you are listed your business for the eye care clinics. Okay, eye care clinics near me, all related eye care or retina care or whatever it may be. So you have mentioned the value as a free consultation.
Right.
Okay, so that is the value. So as you have mentioned over there, it is eye care clinic and free checkup or free consultation. So as you are not charging any consultation fee, and the people would think that yes, this may be the good website, and they click on that. So they have come to you and now they are landed on your website. But once if they landed on your website, you are nowhere talking about the free consultation. You are only talking about the pricing. You are nowhere talking about the free consultation. So what is happening over there? So customer will get irritated because customer think that you have cheated him. So you are not talking anything about the free consultation. So immediately he will leave. Okay.
Like free demos in my case.
Yes. Got it? So that is
So we
how
have
the
to put that one in the content. Yeah, you mean to say like if
yes.
I'm
So whatever the
okay.
value which you offer over there, okay, whatever the value which you offer over there, the same thing you must offer over here. Then
Yeah.
the people would engage with your website. Got it?
Yeah.
So the people would engage with your website. So that means that will generate a lead or conversion you will get. The more engagement, the more time the people are spending on your case. So you can do that. So you can provide them the list so that the people can read over there for 30 seconds. So you should engage the people over there for 30 seconds. So you should plan everything, like if somebody is coming to us with a free consultation intent, okay, what all that he can explain, okay, what all the things he has to read over there. You have to write all the mention, or you have to mention all the content over there. You have to write all the content related to his expectations, right? So then the people would engage with that particular website for more than 30
30
seconds.
seconds.
Okay, so you can ask them what is free checkup, why you are providing free consultation, what does it mean. So you explain them, okay, in a short format, and what all the services which can offer this, what all the problems can this free checkup. No, any problem it may be, we initially for the first visit we don't charge even a single rupee. Okay, so likewise you explain everything in detail so that the people would engage over there for more than 30 seconds. Okay, because once if they are reading the content, once if they are going through the process over there and they make up their mind that yes, this may be the right company to whom I wanted to deal with, then they will fill up the form or they will call you, or if you provide any schedule an appointment button over there, they schedule the appointment then and there itself, automated, like we are automating all the appointments. So that will take care of it. Okay, so likewise they can book you the appointment slots also. right? So these things will be automated. So these things will happen automatically, right? So this is all what happened. So the first principle of digital marketing is very important, because whether you use the Google ads, whether you use the Facebook ads, whether we use the YouTube ads, whether we use the Quora ads, whether we use the LinkedIn ads, whether we use the email marketing, whether we use the WhatsApp marketing, everywhere the principle is same. This is the core principle. Got it? This is the core principle. In SEO also, the metadata, whatever we are optimizing, okay, whatever the data which is visible to the customer, it must be planned in such a way so that it should also look like an advertisement, so that the people would click on that particular link so that they can come to your website. Got the clarity now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so these things one has to plan. These things one has to plan, and that is how you will be able to get the conversions. Okay, so I'm not saying directly the business, because in the sales process so many things depend, but the conversion will happen because of these things. Got it? So now you plan everywhere, so you should not forget about this principle, because this is the first principle in the digital marketing. Okay, so if you are not, see, suppose I can say that 100 people have clicked on your ad, okay,
Right,
or
sir.
your business listing, but only 2 people got converted. What is the problem? Only 2 people got converted. You want to increase the conversions. Only 2 people got converted. Okay, you can see 100 people have visited your website, but only 2 people got converted. What is the problem? The answer is there in the funnel process itself. So you should apply the common sense and identify the problem. What is the problem?
Proposal.
Hmm?
Proposal.
Where is that proposal has come? I didn't get you. I didn't get your meaning of proposal. What exactly you want to say?
I think opportunities, like they are not getting the more opportunities, like maybe value is missing, something like that, sir.
No. Value is not missing. Value is there,
Missing,
because
but is
see,
opportunity. They are not
no.
getting opportunity.
Value is there. Now, see, value you are providing, okay,
Yes.
and the value whatever you are conveying over there, they are not convinced with that. You said free consultation, but you are putting some conditions on that.
Oh, okay.
Okay, value
Poor
is there. See,
opportunities.
100 clicks you got means what? There is a value, right?
Right.
But why the less conversions are happening? Because you might be putting some conditions on delivering that value. Okay, so the more number of people are not getting attracted to it, so you should not make a mistake which can minimize the conversions. Okay, so you need to be very practical and very sensitive to these kind of things. Even a small mistake, okay, small decision, small wrong decision may ruin the entire business. Okay,
Right.
so you need to be very careful, especially in this process. Okay, let them see. You decided that you wanted to provide the free consultation for the first time, so that's it. Whatever the problem they may come up with, so that is the first consultation, free, no problem at all, right? Then later on you diagnose that, so for diagnosis you charge. You then there will be a
Yes.
lot of procedures, you will charge for that procedure, except the first consultation. So that means if you need a free consultation, yes, we offer free consultation only on weekends. Otherwise, every day 1 hour will be free consultation time. So you should
Yes.
book that free consultation hours. You should book that free consultation in advance. Okay, but the remaining slots are paid consultation hours. So there is always a free consultation package. So if every day if you plan something in advance, okay, so even the flights are giving you the discounts, right? If you book the flight in advance, you will get almost all 50% discount, even sometimes 70-90% also, if you book any flight 3 months in advance, right? But when
Right.
you book at the last minute, you have to pay more. The same concept you can also apply it for your business. Got it? So the more number of people will plan, like they will, so many people will schedule the appointments in advance, because $150 or $200 is also matters to them, right? They will
Right.
book the appointments in advance and they can save that money. So you can allocate 10 or 20 slots every day for that particular hour. So 20 bookings you are getting in advance. So if any paid customer is not coming to your business, also these 20 people will be there for you. Got it? So this is
Got
how
it.
one has to plan all the value over there. So the entire process depends on your entire sales process depends on the value only. Same value is not getting delivered in landing page. Okay. Okay, Adil,
Yes.
Honor 9X. Got the clarity now?
One
Yes, sir.
question, sir.
Yes, yes.
So the
Sir,
way
it's
you
my.
mentioned, oh, sorry, go
Mhm.
ahead, Adil. No, go ahead.
No, Simi, please go ahead. Actually, it's my phone name, Honor 9X. So I don't think so.
That is the reason why I'm calling. So it is not Adil, it is Honor 9.
Yeah, it's my phone name.
You rename it, right?
Sure, sure. From tomorrow.
Okay. Now
So, sir,
let
but
us under.
so
Yeah.
I was asking. So, sir, the way you mentioned, sir, you said like if we do a one tiny mistake, a one single mistake can ruin the business, right? So in the
Yeah.
beginning, like if something happened and we correct it later, amend it later, would be okay? Like let's take in the beginning, I got the listing and I was on the top, but because like how you said, I got 100 clicks, but only 2 conversion is there because there was some problem with my opportunities or value or content, whatever. So after a week I come to know why I'm not getting the conversions, and then I made some changes, and then again I listing.
Yeah, this is all was possible, right? Yeah, that is possible. I mean, you can keep on
Okay.
amending that. See, that is all what we need to test in the marketing, right? Okay, so that is a never ending process.
Okay.
Okay, so but for us the advantage is like we don't play with only one page. We create the multiple pages. We play with multiple pages. That is called A/B testing. We present initially the page A and see what is the conversion. We present page B and see what is the conversion rate, and again we present the page C. Okay, so likewise we do all these experiments. See, initially I have sent the traffic to page A and noted the conversions. Page B, because the values are changing in page A, page 2, page C, right? So you are changing the value and looking at the conversion. So whatever is getting you more number of conversions, you fix that, you promote that actually.
Okay.
Okay. So that is how we will plan. Okay, got the clarity on that? Now I'm explaining the visibility concept in detail now. So this is the digital marketing funnel. So in the digital marketing funnel, you have to plan all the channels for exposure, because visibility I am dividing it into two parts, the exposure and the discovery. Exposure is something you are trying to convey the message to the people, and discovery is something whether the people have discovered the message and they have perceived or they got the message whatever you wanted to convey. So there are two things one has to understand: what the business owner would like to present and whether the people are connected with that message or not. You may not understand this concept also when I say this. Let us do one example. Let us learn one example again. Okay. So now, as everybody believes that boss is always right, just to type boss is right, boss is always right in the chat box.
Yes.
Yes, boss is right. Okay, boss is always right. Okay. So now, when I tell you one challenge, you should not consider that you are. You should believe this and you should get the answer. You should answer me. Okay. Right? Boss is always right. Whatever he says, he is right. So we need to think in that direction, get that things done. Okay. So your boss is saying that. Your boss is saying that to install one hoarding. Your boss is asking you to install only one hoarding in the entire city. One hoarding in the entire city, but one hoarding in the entire city, but he wanted the message to be passed on to the every nook and corner of the city, whatever city you take. So now question is, where do you install that hoarding? Where do you install that hoarding? Guys, where do you install that hoarding?
In the marketplace.
That message cannot be passed on to the all the corners of the Hyderabad, because the marketplace, if you put whoever is accessible to that marketplace, they would only see that message. But I'm not sure that from all the corners of the city, the people would come to that marketplace. I'm not sure, because they will go to the nearby marketplaces.
Then in the entry or exit point of the Hyderabad, sir?
In that case also, only the people who are frequently moving, to them only it will be visible, but it may not reach, the message may not reach all the people. Entry and exit points means there must be a purpose. You should even identify the more specific location over there.
In the middle of the city, like where we have the more crowd or most famous thing. I don't know. Let's take in if it is
No. You can
Banjara
answer. See, you are allowed to make mistakes, speak nonsense. That is also okay, because that is where we learn. Okay, so you are trying, that is appreciated. Yeah. So in the center of the city, I'm not sure, I'm not convinced with that
most
center of
famous
city yet.
one, which is most famous. No? Okay.
No, whatever famous one, for that also, I may not visit the center of the city regularly, but still I am not getting the message. Okay. So here the objective is, at least suppose if I reside in one locality, from my locality the people should know about it. Not everyone, every nook and corner of the city must be visiting that particular place. What is that common point? What is the best point? You can think. Somebody said the right answer in the chat box. I
Public.
will discuss with that. Yeah.
Public.
You think.
Sir.
Yeah.
Near school and colleges.
No. Because school and colleges also only limited number of people would come over there. So can somebody join their kids in another school at the different corner? Right? So they will see, if you target the school and colleges, only the nearby people would come there, right? You will install your own own house. I told you, right? Somebody has answered correctly at the beginning itself. If you target Charminar and Golconda Fort, okay? So do you think that at least once in a day from your colony member, okay, colony, whoever is residing in your colony, people are visiting the Charminar and Golconda every day? I am not sure. Yes, it is very general common answer. You said boss is always right, but you are not answering that. Boss is giving you the task, you are not coming up where you are not meeting the goal, you are not getting the result.
So famous temple or any religious places where we have a lot of crowd? My guess.
But again, if it is a religious place, all the community people, all the people may not come over there. Only one specific religion people may visit over there, and that too religious places also only the local people will come, not all the people.
All the people.
Near hospitals?
No, you can argue with me. I will counterpart anyhow. Whatever you say, I will counterpart. You are not arguing it with the right valid points. Yeah.
Then I want to stick with my first option, sir. Like in the middle of the city, which is like crowded and more famous. Let's take, if I'm from the Chandigarh, I know that the Sector 17 is very popular and they have even on the everyday basis, they have a lot of crowd there. I will not get the 100% city there, but let's take an average of a week. So every day I'm getting a new crowd there. So at least 40% of the people every day, they are seeing my whole thing.
Okay, but
Is
the
it public? They
problem
have a
is
public
so
crowd.
let us consider in Chandigarh, you belong to one locality. What is that locality?
Sector 17?
You are talking about Sector 17. You reside in Sector 17.
No, I stayed in Sector 20.
You stay at Sector 20. So my question is, does every one of your Sector 20 people or most of the people, majority of the people would definitely visit the Sector 17 every day without
Because they
missing?
have a bus. Yeah, so because they have the business, they have the in the same plaza, and it's a big one. They have the business. They have the bus terminal there. Like kids, everybody get their buses from the Sector 17. They have the business schools. They have a big shopping stores. Even bookstores, they have it. Like even I have to buy my books. I think half of my life, like when I was doing the medical, I always go to the Sector 17. I know that I got all the books there.
So
So
that
they have
means
like
no. So that means you are saying the right things, but you are saying it wrong in a wrong way. You said earlier there is a bus terminal. Am I right?
yeah, they have the bus terminal there too
So
because it's a
in
big
Sector 17 you have the bus terminal, right?
it has, yes, sir.
Yeah. So where do you
Bus
install the hoarding? Where do you install the hoarding, in the bus terminal or in the center of the city or wherever that crossroad is there? There you install the hoarding.
Central. Oh, not in the middle of the city, close to the.
Yes. Okay. So somebody said the railway station is the right answer. Railway station is the right answer. And second answer, the best answer is the bus station. Because most of the people you can meet in the railway station, you can find all the rich and poor people, right? You can find all the rich and poor people, and you can find all the customers, whoever is visiting that city every day. So definitely couple of people from your colony would definitely visit the railway station over there in a day. Okay. Otherwise, if they visit, at least they visit a bus station. So these are the two places from where we can get we can expose our business to the most of the people, like all the corners of the people. We can pass on the message to the every corner every nook and corner of the city. So those places are the best places. Any
But now
argument
my
over that?
question
Yeah.
with the
Yeah.
sir, I have a question for my boss. If we like the way you are saying, we can holding we can place on the railway station. So even in the Chandigarh is a small town.
Mm-hmm.
So people they are taking the bus for the different routes to different. So again, I'm confused. So I have the 5 bus stations or 3 subway stations or sorry train stations. Then again, where I supposed to put my holding?
You install it in any one place which may attract more number of people. So you just think in that way and install that hoarding. Bus stations and railway stations are the right places. But the question is, if you have the 3 or if you have the 3 railway stations and 5 bus stations, you need to decide any one. Any one also, if you decide, it is also okay.
Okay.
Okay. So you can pass on the message to the all the corners. In Hyderabad city also, we have almost all 3 Secunderabad Junction, Kachiguda, Nampalli. We have 3 railway stations.
Yes.
Yeah, but if you install it in everywhere, no problem. The message can be passed on to all the corners, right, of the city.
Right.
So that is the answer. Got the clarity now? So the thing is, though now we have identified the right marketplace, like the bus station and the railway station, both are the right marketplaces, and you have listed your hoarding over there. But what should be the height of the hoarding? Is it above 20 feet, above 30 feet, or above 40 feet? About 20 feet means above first floor. About 20 feet means above first floor. 30 feet means above second floor. 40 feet means above third floor. Where do you want to install? What is the right height?
I will
20,
go with
30,
the
40. Yeah.
20 feet, sir. I don't want to like too high, like it is not in the visibility in the vision of the persons, right? If it is
Yes.
too high,
So what is
they
happening?
can't see.
So the visibility will be there, like the exposure will be there, but if you increase the height, the people may not discover the message. Okay, see, understand here, you have chosen the right marketplace. You have chosen the right marketplace and you have exposed it in a right manner. But the problem is the people are unable to discover it. What is the use? Got it? So you have to select the right marketplace and you have to expose it. But again, you should expose it in such a way that more number of people will connect to that message. In the visibility only, we have divided the visibility into 2 parts, exposure and discover. Exposure is from the business owner end, what exactly they want to expose. Discovery, again, you need to identify from the customer point of view, how many people are getting connected with it. Okay, suppose in the railway station hoarding, I have mentioned, okay, I have mentioned in the hoarding that chariot services in so and so city. Okay, chariot services in so and so city, and call, you have given the number over there. You have given the number over there. What is the problem over there? What is the problem over there? Because you have mentioned not, you have not written so big content. You have simply added one line and putting the call number over there, but no one is responding to that. What is the problem over there?
Pardon, sir?
You have installed a hoarding, there you have mentioned chariot services. Okay, you have mentioned chariot services and phone number, and you have installed it in the just above the 20 feet in railway station, but no one is coming to you, no one is calling you. What is the problem?
People are not able to discover it. They can't see the visibility, like it is not visible.
I have installed over there and it is about 20 feet.
Above 20 feet, right, sir?
Yes, yes. Because there is no option. So it is the right place. What is the problem over there?
So visibility is missing, sir, because it's overheighted.
20 feet is right height, as just now we have discussed, right?
No, you said over the 25, above the 20 feet.
Yeah, above the 20 feet only we have installed.
Okay. Mm,
So value.
Value is charity services. It's chariot services itself is the value, right?
I think sir, holding must have at least six value, right? There is a values there, but the value number of value is less, right? At least six values there must be there.
No, no, no. Okay, so value is there. That is all. The chariot services itself is the value. What does it mean by chariot services?
no idea.
What does it mean by chariot services? It is nothing but the cab services. What is the problem over there? You have used, see, you have used the right marketplace, you have taken all the right decisions, but the problem is whatever the message which you are placing or writing over there, people are unable to connect with it. They are unable to discover that what exactly you wanted to say. Chariot services is a very complex term wherein everybody may not get connected to it. And if you simplify cab services, yes, obviously you would definitely get more and more response. Got the point? So write the ads in such a way wherein you must use the simple language so that even common man can connect with it. Ad ads are not something like it is for more to demonstrate your a skill and expertise over there. It is not that. It is not the right place for that. Okay. The ad purpose is to connect with more number of people very easily. The moment they look at the service, the moment they look at the message, immediately they should respond it. Got it? So we must use the simple language. See guys, how many things we are learning in the same process. Getting my point? These all are the things which we need to focus on. So whenever we write the ad also, we take more care about the wordings which we use over there. Whether these can be catched by even a common man or not. All the people or not. Got it? So that is how effectively and efficiently we should write the ad. Can anybody write the digital marketing ad now? For my consulting services, can you write the ad? Digital marketing consulting services. Everybody, if possible, write the good ad. Can you write any ad now?
You can try, sir.
You can try. So I am creating a Google Sheet now. Okay. Now I am sharing that link with the chat box. Now everyone please create your own sheet. So on the sheet you write your name and you write your ad over there. I want to see whether you are writing it in a perfect manner or not. Okay, so if you understand, so we are talking about the Google ad. So I'm saying that if somebody write digital marketing consultant, there must be an ad. Okay, so there is a headline, there is a link, there is a headline, there is a description. So the headline must be of 90 characters, or you can stretch it up to 130 characters also. And the description you can go up to 300 characters. Okay, 130 characters on the top and 300 characters for the description.
Sorry.
Okay, it should attract more number of people. So let us see how you are writing. You create your own sheet, worksheet. There is a plus button below and create your own sheet, and there you name it. Everyone create your own sheets.
So,
Yeah,
should we write there a digital marketing training or digital marketing?
it is for consultant, right? So create a new sheet on your name and write your ad over there, because everybody select the sheet one. So you write something, somebody else might be deleting that, and most of the more number of people are might be working on the same sheet. So you create your own sheets on that. Sheet, I am not talking about the column, I am talking about the sheet. Name your sheet. So there is a plus icon at the bottom. You click on that and you rename it. So instead of sheet 1, you should mention Puja over there. Sheet 2, yeah. So someone has taken the sheet 1, Sanjay has taken. Yeah. Now Sanjay will work only on that sheet. Sheet 2, who is sheet 2? Who is using the sheet 2? Astha, are you using the sheet 2? Name it and use it. First you name your sheet, then use it.
So I'm using sheet 2.
But sheet 2
Sheet 1.
Chetna has created.
Oh, yes, sir, I'm Chetna speaking.
But you mentioned Astha over there. So your name is Chetna or Asta? In the column A, there is a Asta word. So I think Kumari Asta is a different person, right?
Actually, my phone is hanged.
Okay, okay. So, but anyhow, you should
Even
create, yeah. Only Sanjay and Chetna have created the sheets, so they are writing the ads, not the other people. Okay, you write please, whatever, whoever has created the worksheet, you write your ad.
I can't.
Why you are not able to create a sheet over there?
No. Even
Why?
I'm clicking on the separate places. Even my mouse, like it's not even allowing me to work on this page. I can't do anything, sir.
Why?
No idea, sir.
It is a Google sheet, open sheet. You can create that. You can work on that. You don't you have the Gmail ID?
I have, sir.
So it will accept the Gmail ID only. Maybe your another email ID, you might have logged into that. You should log into Gmail and click on this link.
Okay, sir.
So what is the problem? You are unable to write even a single ad, and we are learning so many things. But already we have learned so many things, but still you are unable to write even a single ad. What is the problem? Okay, you can write the ad for any purpose, no problem. You can try, Adil.
Yes, sir.
Does it give you the ad?
Not add this. Oh, no, no, no. Sir, the both are different thing
Hmm.
actually. Mhm.
Okay. So I expect you to write the ad now. So by implementing this formula, so this is what the digital marketing funnel or process. So we expose more, and so that the more number of people discover it, and the more number of people consider it, so that you would get the conversions. And yeah, so most of the cases the people forget about the customers, existing customers. So we should focus on the, we should have a proper planning for the existing customers also, because Getting a new customer is very difficult. Getting a new customer from the existing customer is very easy, right? Getting a new customer is very difficult, but getting a new customer from existing customer is very easy. Like if I ask the Adil, would you recommend anyone for this digital marketing training? Can you at least recommend one now?
Yes,
Who is that? What is that person name to whom you want to recommend?
sir, my friends
Name.
name, so many friends are there.
Only recommend one.
Uh,
You might be recommending to 10, but only one might be. I'm expecting only one admission out of it.
yeah, I have recommended one of my friends for your batch only. Okay, her name was, I mean, his name was Danish.
Okay, Danish. So next,
Hmm.
Simi Singh. Would you like to recommend or not? If so, to whom you are recommending? Okay. So that is only I'm saying that getting a new customer from the existing customer is very easy. So if I wanted to form a new batch, if I take at least one person from one recommendation from your end, that will form a new batch to me, right?
Yes.
And in an easy way, within half an hour or within 30 minutes, I can get this done. But again, to get the new customers, it is difficult. We have to do the lot of marketing, lot of calls process, sales process, all those things. I have to go through that, right?
Right.
Chetna, Grace, Hari, Kumari. Okay. So likewise, try to recommend one. We'll see. ये सीट जो है ना इंस्टॉल होने की चीज नहीं है. गूगल शीट ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन है. लिंक क्लिक करने का और टाइप करने का. युगंती सरकार Sakarkar. Okay, ad name grocery shop, headline best grocery shop in Nagpur. The new Sanjay Kirana shop is one of the best grocery shop in Nagpur. We are offering best discount for all products. So, in your headline, Sakarkar, what is missing is the value is missing. What is the value which you are offering? You are putting a keyword best grocery shop in Nagpur, but there is no value in the headline. There is no value in the headline. And in the description also you are wasting your character limit. As a new Sanjay Kirana shop is one of the best grocery shops, so there is no meaning for that. Meaning means it is waste of time, right? You should talk something else over there. You are okay. So you are positioning Sanjay Kirana store, but what is the reason behind that? ओके नागपुर बोल के बता रहे तो नागपुर तो बहुत बड़ा सिटी है. उसमें आप किराना शॉप बोले तो वो बड़ा सिटी में कोई किराना शॉप को आएगा क्या? Okay, so in my case the ad is failed ad. It won't connect with you at all. Write the different one. Okay. Yes, I appreciate Sakarkar because you have tried. So at least you are on the way what exactly I was expecting. So guys, I am giving you these opportunities because I believe this is the training, not the lecture kind of thing, right? I told you earlier. So I need your active participation. If you are not actively participating in the activities, whatever we are discussing, there is no meaning for the training at all. Okay. If you would like to get your brain trained, then you need to work on the activities. You should strain your brain now. Then only you can train your brain. Got it? You should try to implement it. If not possible at the same time, just at least by going home, you should put your brain over there. I'm expecting everybody to do this home.
I'm not able to do on the spreadsheet, sir. That's why I did it on my notebook. I did them manually.
You can type the same thing on the chat box, right? Somebody did it on the chat box in Zoom chat.
Oh, okay.
So Sanjay mentioned that digital marketing by Ramakant Rao, 17 years of experience in marketing, come consultant, Google certified. It is not properly phrased. Sanjay, is there any value which you want to convey over there? Okay. So, are you a job seeker? Are you struggling to connect to people? No, it is the right place for you. Chetna English Academy. Start speaking in 2 hours. So, there is no right value over there. Connect to people means they are not connecting with that. So, okay, in the marketing, there is a mistake. It is the right place for you. It is waste of space characters. Chetna English Academy or positioning the junction of speakers, it is not connecting, so the people are unable to discover the message or your intention. They are not able to connect with your intention, right? Instead of your language, you better speak the customer's language. Chetna, this ad is not going to work out for you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then I have somebody, then I have Samta. Top digital marketing consultant, digital marketing professionals, e-commerce expert, certified ad experience holders want to become digital marketing certified professional. It is also not connecting. Digital marketing consultant, we are a digital marketing expert. Our services, the value you have to convey, Shubham, there is no value at all. Okay, guys. So please focus on this. So write the perfect ad now. Okay, write the perfect ad. Let us explore how to write an ad. Okay, my formula is you should include the value. You should offer the value, so that to connect with more number of people. So at least you have not decided on providing the value. So you should decide and plan the right value. Digital marketing consultant, are you eager to know about digital marketing? Then join Naresh IT. No, no, no. If they are eager, they don't join, right? There is no purpose of it. So you should talk about the purpose actually. You are targeting the feeling, but the feeling doesn't have any purpose. Okay?
Sir,
Otherwise, you should connect that feeling with a purpose. Yeah. You are connecting the feeling, but it is not solving the purpose. See, I will get a lot of opportunity if you people make mistakes. So I'm asking you to make mistakes and open up. Yeah.
sir, I have changed the.
So provide the certificate. So as you provide the certificate, no one would join the course, right? Why anyone would join the course? So that must be answered. Okay. Ultimate goal of the ad is what? What is the ultimate goal of any ad? To purchase, right?
To get the leads.
To get the lead and to get the purchase, the sale, right?
Yes, sir.
So what you offer so that the people will buy. So you should mention that.
Yes, sir. I have changed the first line. Is it okay?
What you have changed the first line. Where did you write that?
So first line at the top. Do you want to speak like a pro?
Is it Chetna?
Yes, sir.
But where you have that? So start speaking in 2 hours. That is what you have changed? No, now it is showing that. So do you want to speak English like a pro? But purpose is missing. Yes, Sanjay, you said 100% job guarantee program. Yes, it is working. It is perfect. The Google will not allow the term called guarantee. Your ad will be rejected if you use the term called guarantee. Yeah, so do you want to speak English like a pro? It is not solving the purpose. It is the right place for you, Chetna English Academy, the junction of speakers. Are you getting my point, Chetna?
Yes,
It is
sir.
not targeting. It is not targeting the segment.
Okay.
Do you want to speak English like a pro and get promoted in job means you are targeting the working professionals. Okay. Do you want to speak like a pro and clear the or succeed with interview? Then you are targeting the job seekers. So that is missing. The targeting the audience is missing in your ad. See me Eye Care Center,
Okay, so
Mississauga.
should I write there and crack the interviews? In crack
Hmm?
the interviews? Do you want me to
Yeah.
speak English like a
Yes.
pro and crack the interviews in
Yes.
one go? So
Yes.
it would be, yeah,
More
it would
attractive. It
be
will connect. Yes. It
slogan, right?
yes. It will connect the people, right audience to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So likewise, you can target the different segment and you can target the different. You can write the different ads. Simi Eye Care Center, Mississauga. Doctor focused on you. Keep your sight. Get your eyes checked. Free consultation for kids and seniors. Running 50% off on eye drops for everyone. Okay, so the doctor focused on you, keep your sight, get your eyes checked. All these are the bullshit. So there is no value over there. Okay, free
Oh,
consultation for kids is okay. See me Eye Care Center, free consultation for kids and seniors. And you talk about the services over there.
oh, that I'm typing, sir.
Okay, because the remaining content is waste content.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, because see our problem, you are not understanding our problem. So we will be having for the headlines we will be having the 90 character limit. For the description we will be having at least 250 character limit. Within that 90 characters you should connect with the audience, the segment, and within that 90 character 250 characters you should be able to elaborate it so that you build the trust. Okay, you so that
Correct.
you build the trust and authority or credibility over there. Okay, so that the people can contact you or deal with you. So this is very the tough situation I can say, but you should
Mm-hmm.
keep practicing it, then you can succeed it. Okay, and if you copy any advertisement, if you see any advertisement, they all are bullshit. Like there no one is focusing on their ads seriously. Simply they are writing something and expecting the traffic to come. No, it won't come until and unless you focus on it seriously. You cannot attract the customers. Got it?
Sir.
10 years of experience in eye care. Yes, he can say.
Yeah, that's why I mentioned Semi Center since 2000.
You write whatever you want, but so you should write in a proper manner. Okay, guys. So, do you want to speak English like a pro and crack the interviews in one go? Yes, this is connecting now. But now cross check whether it is taking the whole line into 90 characters. Okay, if it is 90 character exceeding that, then do you want to is irrelevant. Speak English like a pro and crack the interviews in one go. Can I say like that, Chetna?
Yes, sir, definitely.
So the do you want to? So you can we can save some characters over there.
Yeah, okay. So
Got it?
speak English like a pro and crack interviews in one go.
Yes.
So it's your place. ऐसे लिख सकती हूँ सर मैं?
Huh. No. It's your place means again it is. See, don't put in the junk words over there. Whatever we use every character, every word because every word is very precious for us.
Yes,
right?
sir.
Instead, we can add something to attract more and create influence people over there. Okay, so it's your place is not connecting or it is not influencing.
Okay.
Instead, we can add more thing. So, like you can talk about the interview scripts can be given. Okay, successful 30 interview scripts. Okay, and 30 interview document on interviews or PDF books will be given to you, or practice videos will be given to you, something like that, right? So if you talk about that, then the more number of people would attract it. Getting my point?
Yes,
You are
sir.
not speaking that language. So you should start selling something. You should speak to the customer so that they can immediately get influenced and click on that. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
30 successful interview scripts. Get 30 plus successful interview scripts. Okay. Otherwise, PDF material, e-books, tips and tricks. Okay, everything. And what is the duration of the course? Only 4 hours course. Okay, only 4 hours course. Why do you need that many hours for interview? Only 6 hours course. Okay, so write that 6 hours course, change your life.
Okay.
So now just see, imagine whatever I am saying, if you put it in, can't you generate the business now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you got it. Business is not in like you are writing the Google ad, so Google is not going to business as you are promoting it on Google, so no one would come to you. So business depends on the value which you offer, how differently you are offering the value, how unique of a value you are offering, how you are different from the others, and what all the benefits that your customers are getting. So all these things will get you the business. So you should focus in detail on that line.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm not happy with your ad, whatever you write. So you need to improve a lot. Write hundreds of ads and get evaluated. Then you will be so then you will be able to write the perfect ads. See guys, are you able to differentiate with my skills? The moment you say I am giving you some suggestions, are you convinced with my suggestions? Are you able to identify the gap where you are unable to do something? Okay. So Jai Patnakar, you said learn digital marketing by PPC Rao, learn employable skills, provide 100% job assistance. So no one will connect if you say assistance. Okay, instead of provide, you can say get 100% job. That's it. We can save characters also, and we can create a perception also. As you said 100% job, so there is no guarantee or something. So as you said 100% job, they believe that 100% job they will get. At least you are able to create the perception. And if you give the 100% job assistance, no one would interact because you are not addressing the real pain. So the value which you offer is not connecting. So when you say the 100% job, then it is connecting more number of people. The moment you say job assistance, only few people will get connected to it. Okay guys, so that's all it for the day.